Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin on the phone that will share its connection. First, confirm cellular data is active and there's enough allowance. This avoids sudden throttling. Next, open hotspot settings and turn the hotspot on. Choose a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 password so strangers can't join. Select 2, 4 GHz for wider compatibility or 5 GHz for speed if both phones support it. Once that's configured, keep the hotspot screen open so you can monitor connections and data use. On the second phone, go to Wi-Fi and select the hotspot SSID you created. Type the password carefully and tap Connect. If Wi-Fi won't pair, switch to Bluetooth tethering by pairing both phones and enabling internet sharing over Bluetooth, or use USB tethering if you have a cable. USB gives the most stable throughput. Make sure the receiving phone gets an IP and can load a web page. If pages stall, renew the connection by turning Wi-Fi off and back on, or forget and rejoin the network. Finish by securing the session. Watch data usage and battery on the host and plug it into power if sharing long-term. If the connection drops, first restart both phones and re-enter the hotspot password. That resolves most handshake issues. Make sure both devices run the latest system updates for reliable tethering. If speeds are slow, move closer to the cell tower, switch the hotspot band, or close background apps consuming bandwidth. One key troubleshooting tip. If devices won't authenticate, forget the network on the receiver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.